Pancakes for weight loss? Yes, they are your secret weapon for weight loss. Enjoy pancakes morning, noon, and night and still shed those extra pounds. Reach for whole wheat flour, almond flour, or even oat flour. These nutrient-rich alternatives are packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, helping you manage those cravings. Next, instead of relying solely on cow's milk, experiment with almond milk, soy milk, or even water. For an extra protein boost, consider adding a dollop of Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder. Don't forget the natural sweetness. Embrace the goodness of honey, maple syrup in moderation, or mashed bananas. Add a dash of cinnamon, a sprinkle of nutmeg, or even a pinch of ginger. Your step-by-step pancake guide. First things first, gather your tools: a mixing bowl, a whisk, a measuring cup, and a non-stick skillet. Having the right tools makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Measure out your chosen flour, sweetener, and any other dry ingredients you prefer, like almond or oat flour. Don't forget the spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, or even a pinch of cardamom can elevate your pancakes to the next level. In a separate bowl, whisk together your liquid ingredients. This includes eggs or egg alternatives, milk, dairy or non-dairy, and any other liquids. And of course, any extracts you're adding. Vanilla extract is a classic choice, but feel free to get creative with almond or even maple extract. Slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, whisking gently to avoid overmixing. Overmixing can make your pancakes tough, so be gentle. Remember, a few lumps are okay. They'll give your pancakes a lovely texture and ensure they stay fluffy. Embrace those lumps. They are a sign of a well-mixed batter. Heat your non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with cooking spray. This ensures your pancakes don't stick and cook evenly. Pour a quarter cup of batter onto the hot skillet for each pancake. This size is perfect for even cooking and easy flipping. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. You'll know they're ready to flip when bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Pancake pro tips: secrets to flipping out deliciousness. Here are a few secrets to ensure your pancakes turn out light, fluffy, and oh so delicious every time. These tips will help you achieve that perfect texture and taste that everyone loves. First, the heat is on. The temperature of your skillet is crucial. Make sure your skillet is heated over medium heat. This ensures even cooking and prevents the pancakes from burning or undercooking. Too hot, and your pancakes will burn on the outside before cooking through. This can result in a crispy exterior but a raw interior. Too low, and they'll turn out dense and rubbery. The right heat is essential for that perfect rise and fluffiness. Don't overmix. Overmixing develops the gluten in the flour, resulting in tough, chewy pancakes. This is a common mistake that can easily be avoided. Mix until just combined, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Let them rest. Allowing the batter to rest for a few minutes can make a big difference. Once you've poured the batter onto the skillet, resist the urge to immediately start flipping. Patience is key here. Let the pancakes cook for a good 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until bubbles start to form on the surface. These bubbles are a sign that the pancakes are ready to be flipped. This allows the batter to set and prevents them from falling apart when you flip them. Pancake power stories. I used to think pancakes were my biggest weakness, shares Sarah, a busy mom who lost 10 pounds in a month. She recalls how she would often skip breakfast or opt for unhealthy options, thinking it was the only way to manage her weight. But then I discovered these healthy recipes, and it's been a game changer. Sarah found that by using wholesome ingredients and following simple recipes, she could enjoy pancakes without compromising her health goals. I can now enjoy my favorite breakfast food without the guilt. She emphasizes how this small change has made a big difference in her daily routine and overall well-being. John, a college student always on the go, was skeptical at first. With a hectic schedule and limited cooking skills, he doubted he could stick to a healthy eating plan. Pancakes for weight loss? Sounded too good to be true, he admits. John was used to grabbing quick, unhealthy snacks between classes and late-night study sessions. But after a month of incorporating these recipes into my diet, I've lost 5 pounds and feel more energized than ever. He found that these healthy pancakes were not only easy to make, but also kept him full and focused throughout the day. Everyone can find a way to make these recipes work for them. It's not just about the weight loss. It's about discovering a sustainable way of eating that nourishes your body, because weight loss and satisfies your soul. Section 7. The secret's out. You can enjoy pancakes and still achieve your weight loss goals. You've discovered the weight loss power of healthy, flavorful pancakes. So, go ahead, embrace the pancake. Your delicious weight loss journey starts now.